We have trained our people, our leaders in the academics to actually have a mindset of a business person in portraying products that they have found, proposal that they have decided to submit, and also in terms of research collaboration with other parties. This is one of the key success formula that we have gotten so far. At UTP, we have 6 research institutes. The vision is actually to remain very focused and to be a global prominence in the form of research, innovation and commercialization so that we can be the partners of choice internationally.
Our successfully developed digital solution including Domain, which is a customized big data analytics predictive tool to predict machine failure at the oil and gas platform, processing real-time data input from 40,000 sensors with the ability to not just able to predict accurately when a particular equipment is about to fail, but also what caused the failure or trips to happen. Moving forward, we embrace fully the philosophy of data as the new oil, achieving cost avoidance and enable self-regulation for operations via data-driven digital solutions and decisions.
The value that the predictive analytics domain provides is a fast solution given the amount of data that we collect from the machine. The advantage that we get is a timely failure prediction in order for us to deploy the intervention, i.e. the prescriptive analytics.
Poseidon is actually a technology that we've developed in-house at UTP through our partners Poseidon Solutions to deploy a system that is able to be the eyes and ears of offshore engineers on the structures itself, so that they can monitor the structures offshore, they can tell you what's going on in the structures, they can tell you how much is the remaining life on the structure, and at the end of the day, helps you make decisions better, reduce cost of operations, reduce time spent during inspection works, and ultimately create cost savings for the clients. Ultimately, I'm very proud of this because we have a long track record in Malaysia of delivering such solutions. And at the end of the day, we want this to be a homegrown solution, something that we can be proud to say that is a homemade product of Malaysia and something that can be exported throughout the entire world.
Technology fiber optics is integrated by sending the signals of the light into the pipe, and then it measures the bending of the pipe. It's basically have the advantages of measuring many points, and also it is more superior than the conventional system because of the ability to measure in real time. It enables to inform the stakeholders and the public on the safety of landslide incidents, and therefore it is very useful to be used as a landslide monitoring system.
The compact absorption system allows up to 95% of load reduction and 50% of footprint reduction as compared to conventional packed absorption system. We have a band scale system to test various mixed gases of up to 40 bar pressure to meet in industrial needs. We are capable to simulate the process and scale up the developed technology using high-speed Aspen process simulation and conduct techno-economic analysis.
CISIO at UTP develops Compro, a product solutions that is based on productivity nominal analytics. It provides nominal values for productivity estimations. As a result of Compro, we now have a more consistent and accurate plan in achieving construction projects on time, on budgets, and on scope.
In collaboration with our partner, Petronas, UTP embarked on phase 1 of the reefing project, which served the objective of developing a high-level asset-wide study of offshore platform decommissioning. The project corroborates UTP's commitment to support Petronas' initiative to drive the cost of abandonment as low as it possibly can via R&D. Specifically, the project supports MPM asset decommissioning's key target to reduce decommissioning costs by an estimated 28% through multitudes of efforts and to mature the concept of reef in situ and ex situ.
The main objective is to assess the feasibility and suitability of oil and gas structures in Malaysia to be reefed, either in situ or ex situ, with research on ways to enhance the reefability of structures. Petronas is proud that this initiative had provided an avenue in gathering academia, in-house technical experts from GTS, GRNT, as well as asset operators in maturing the science and engineering related to rigs to reef, further amplifying the resolve to execute more moving forward.
At the moment, there is no commercial software available to gauge the lifespan and predict the performance of hollow fiber membrane. Therefore, UTP has invented HFMPP in 2013 and commercialized it in 2014 to several prominent oil and gas companies to support their operational excellence and R&D activities. It is estimated that our client has saved at least 3 million ringgit by using the software since 2014.
The UTP Altair Center of Excellence for Applied Scientific Computing offers unlimited access to Altair Hyperworks Suite, which enables students and researchers at UTP to carry out their engineering simulation for research as well as consultancy work. More than 50 engineering software covering CAD and preprocessor, structural and CFD solvers, electromagnetic solution, as well as discrete element method software is now available for researchers to serve the industry.
The gas flow loop was developed in collaboration with Petronas GRNT to mature low temperature CO2 capture technology from natural gas up to TRL6. This is the most comprehensive low temperature closed loop pilot gas testing facility in the world. The flow loop has the capability to test with the mixed gases of up to 2.4 million standard cubic feet per day, very low operating temperature down to minus 75 degrees C and high operating pressure of up to 40 bar. This flow loop has successfully tested the crystallizer and blowdown technologies, whereby the ongoing projects are performance testing of cryo, LNG and MPAC technologies.
We specialize in studies to improve the hydrocarbon recovery and productivity of reservoirs. This equipment is used to simulate how the fluids move in reservoir rocks. The results obtained from this equipment allows us to know how much oil can be recovered from the reservoir rock or what caused the oil production to drop. This equipment can withstand the corrosive fluids and is able to operate at a high pressure and temperature, similar to conditions in the reservoir.
We are going to optimize the resources exploration through the machine learning, deep learning, and also artificial intelligence methods. We are determined to investigate the subsurface that give client with optimized output with minimum time required to achieve the optimum solution. Our research is targeted to enhance the seismic image capability that eventually led to the optimized subsurface image and minimizing the cost required for the whole upstream oil and gas exploration.
Our research in terms of digitalization and its utilization and how we present that to the industry and help the industry to look at their issues have actually spiraled in terms of revenue that we gain. This has been one of our proudest moments because this digitalization involved engineering part of it, involved big data part of it, and it's also involved the way we wanted to operationalize our operations for the industries.